Day 2, babies.
Day 2. Good morning, everyone.
Shit, it's dark as hell. There we go.
Good morning, everybody. Today's day 2, and we're going to explore a little bit more of the city. We're seeing the Flatiron Building, Empire State Building, and just going around the neighborhoods.
All right, day 2. Let's go get some coffee after a couple shoots.
Yeah, after a couple spots.
But we'll actually film where we went. Yesterday we went to Birch. We didn't film anything there, but that was a bomb spot.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It was really good, and yeah, we'll go check it out. Let's go. We got our coffee.
Got some coffee.
Some good stuff.
Coffee project.
Coffee project. It was bomb.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Pretty bomb. Pretty bomb. We're headed up to the Highline right now.
Basically, it used to be a train, and now they turned it into like a little trail you can walk on. So we're gonna go look at that.
We're gonna go check it out.
Let's go.
Walk.
Yeah.
Now we're trying to figure out where to go.
We don't know what to do.
What to do after the Highline.
We have like 3 hours until dinner.
Of course, we made reservations way too far out because we thought this was going to take way longer.
Still don't know where to go.
We're stuck. We're stuck, guys. We're stuck. We're thinking. Where are we thinking?
We don't have anything.
We don't even have any thoughts. We're not even thinking at this point. Dinner is about a 30-minute walk to a vegan place called
Planta Queen.
Planta Queen. Gotta go there. We have a 30-minute walk there, but that's at 6. Right now it's 3:18, and we're lost. We're just going to wing it right now. We're gonna figure it out, and then we're going to let you know if we find anything dope. 8 minutes
To a park?
We're gonna go to a river park. All right.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go get lost.